My God, this door is pushing me. Storm is insane. Hold up. Let me get a shirt on, but it's gosh darn the wind over there. Yeah, the wind is starting to pick up. Yeah, it's starting to get way more foggier over there. Oh my gosh. You can even hear it too. The wind has gotten more crazier now. I don't know why. Do you see those branches that are just like wobbling? Oh, flip. This is gonna be a video. Oh, the storm's picking up. Oh, look at those wind. Oh my God, the camera. Focus. It's like getting insanely bad out there. Here. Oh, it's hailing. Oh, it's hailing. It's starting to hail. Guys, look at the wind, guys. Look at the houses. There's like wind coming. Oh my God. Guys, it is insanely foggy. Oh my God, the camera's so blurry. The camera is like insanely not focusing right now. Hold up. Guys, it is hailing. Guys, you know how like bad storms we get here? We never get storms like this this often. But storms like this in the cold weather, it's not that good, bro. Because what about summer? Summer might like kill us. I don't get it. Like, I hope we're safe. Because my gosh, dying, my feet are cold. Ow, I hit my back. My back just hit the door handle. Ow. My back just hit that. This little thing. That hurt. Yeah, Daddy? I think the wind gust is starting to come. It's starting to get bad out there. You remember my last video? That was like 4 months ago. We had a storm like this as well, but not this bad. Oh my God, it is actually cold. It's like, but this camera, watch. If I zoom in, this won't focus. Yeah, let me this camera. This camera would love to just never focus. Oh, it's because of the door. Still not focusing. Oh, there we go. But guys, yeah, it's really foggy down there. Just saying, I know it looks really bright, but in person, oh, it's dark. Oh, it's insanely dark. Like, you can just see the wind gusts going through the streets, but the camera never wants to focus. Oh, I'm turning the brightness a little bit. Yeah, I'm good, bruh. That was lightning. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like in person. That's how dark it looks like in person. That's literally. Thunder's starting to come out. The storm is insane right now. And I mean insane.